A quick update on Bitcoin Cash, down almost 9% on the week. So we're just going to focus on the Coinbase chart here. We're going to go from the 2021 high to the low. This is the macro monthly chart here. And you can see we just loaded the high, tagged the 0.5. We're sitting right on the macro 3 at 2 at about 270. So what we're going to simply do here is draw a green support box. If you lose this macro 3 at 2, you are no longer bullish here. So we're going to draw that there. So anywhere from 250 up to 260, if you can hold this level, then it is kind of bullish here for a push higher. Now short term, you're making lower highs and lower lows, if you want to call it short term, on the monthly chart here, but we'll just keep it that simple. Any lower than this box here, which I'm going to turn green in just a moment for support, then you can clearly see the 618236 is going to come into play. So off of the market structure you have here with the lower low, we do run the risk of dropping 28 even down to about 35% to about 175 to about $200 here. So just keep that in mind. Now we'll turn that green really quick here before this update gets a little bit too long. We'll turn that green for support. We'll get this one off of the chart and we'll see how it plays out here. But the state of the market, the momentum is down, lower highs, lower lows. It's probably going to end up breaking this box and coming down to these lower targets unless the market turns around and Bitcoin starts to move up. Then we'll just kind of readjust what is going on here. So if it holds the 382 here, this will change. If it drops lower, of course, where is this thing going to end up here in 2025? So if you believe this thing's going to hit and make a slightly higher high, $2,000 I think is a very good target here. That would get you in between that 5 to 10x that we like on these older coins. That would get you about a 7.5x up to $2,000. And then if you want to go higher than that, maybe we get a good bull run and we hit the 1272 and higher. That's $3,600, and that's where you get a 14x out of Bitcoin Cash here. So of course, what are your thoughts? Where do you see it ending up in 2025? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.